Hey guys, I'm your German candy taster and something quite awesome happened today. So we have here altogether reached the 1000 subscribers for the German candy taster, which is quite phenomenal, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That is unbelievable. It's quite awesome. When I go over the city, people start recognizing me. They talk to me and say, hey, like your videos kind of thing. That's quite awesome, phenomenal. So if you see me on the street, directly say hello. I watch your videos, kind of thing. Makes me super, super proud. So today here we have this gigantic giveaway, Apple giveaway for you guys because of 1000 subscribers. So basically, let's take a look at what we have here. So these are some Apple products. So we have here, first of all, the iPod Shuffle. Here the 3rd generation and here the 1st generation. So all generations. Here this is some basic shit. Then we have here 2 iPhones. This is the last iPod ever, completely new. Here in the foil. Do you see the foil? It's within the foil. So completely new, like this. It's here. Then we have here 2 iPods with video. Here iPod video looks quite awesome. One of the cooler iPods here. This is my favorite, very small iPod Nano. Then we have here, this is all worth a lot here. The first iPods ever released. Here, that is how one of them looks, basically. But we have 2 more with the original packaging. They are quite almost brand new. Then here, iPod Classic 4th generation here, guys. This is something, why did Apple that make? I have no idea. Kind of thing. Then here we have way more. I don't want to show you everything here. This is all brand new, guys. Say, yeah. And for the giant Apple giveaway here, you guys get this cable, which is quite awesome because this is original Apple. Say, this is no cheap fake, China fake. No, no, no. This is here original from the... Wait, let me get this. Hold this in the camera. So this is here, now you can see it better. This is original from the Apple company. So yeah, it looks a bit used, but it still works. I can say that it still works. Yeah, and one of you will win this cable. So guys, if you want to win this, then write in the comment section why you want to win this. And yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed all of my videos because 1000 subscribers is quite a lot. I'm pretty thankful. That's why I'm giving away this original Apple cable here. So, yeah, guys, keep on watching, keep on commenting. If you want me to do certain things, I'm always open for everything. Okay, guys, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.